Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to Knowledge Your Health, your ultimate resource for all things wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of green tea, a beverage that's more than just a drink. It's a health phenomenon. Visit us at knowledgeyourhealth.com to unlock a treasure trove of health tips and tricks. We're passionate about empowering you to make informed choices for a healthier, happier life. Green tea has been revered for centuries for its incredible health benefits. Ready to discover why this ancient elixir is considered a superfood? Let's embark on this exciting journey together.
Imagine traveling back in time thousands of years to ancient China. That's where our story begins. Legend has it that Emperor Shen Nong, a renowned herbalist, discovered green tea by chance. As he boiled drinking water, leaves from a nearby Camellia sinensis plant drifted into his pot, creating a fragrant, flavorful infusion. Intrigued, Emperor Shen Nong took a sip and was amazed by the invigorating taste and sensation. Thus began the legacy of green tea, a beverage that quickly became a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine. For centuries, green tea was consumed for its digestive benefits and revitalizing properties. Today, modern science is catching up, confirming what ancient wisdom knew all along. Green tea is a powerhouse of health-promoting compounds.
Are you struggling to find a natural way to boost your health? You need to watch this if you struggle with finding effective health solutions. What makes green tea so special? Is it just another health fad? Or is there real science behind its benefits? The answer lies in its abundance of powerful antioxidants, which are natural compounds that help protect your body from damage. Among these antioxidants, a group called catechins stands out. These are particularly potent and beneficial. These remarkable compounds fight free radicals in the body, protecting your cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Imagine them as tiny warriors defending your health. Green tea isn't just good for you, it's exceptionally good for you. It's like a superfood in a cup. Some of its most celebrated health benefits include weight management. Green tea can boost metabolism and help burn fat, making it a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. It's like having a personal trainer in your teacup. Brain power enhancement. Need a mental boost? Green tea can improve cognitive function, memory, and focus, thanks to its unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine. This duo works together to enhance brain power without the jitters. Heart health support. Green tea can help lower bad cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure, promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. It's like a heart-healthy elixir. Cancer risk reduction. Studies show that green tea's potent antioxidants may play a role in protecting against certain types of cancer. This makes it a powerful addition to your daily routine. This is just a glimpse into the incredible world of green tea's health benefits. There's so much more to discover. Keep reading as we delve deeper into each of these areas and more. From its historical roots to modern-day applications, green tea is a treasure trove of wellness.
Let's face it, losing weight can be a challenging journey. But did you know that green tea can be your secret weapon? Green tea contains compounds that can give your metabolism a nudge, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. One of these compounds is caffeine, which is known for its energy-boosting effects. Another key player is EGCG, a powerful catechin in green tea that's been shown to increase fat oxidation, the process of breaking down fat for energy. Studies have demonstrated that green tea consumption can lead to modest but consistent weight loss over time, especially when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. So, sip your way to a slimmer you with the help of this natural weight management aid.
In today's fast-paced world, who couldn't use a little brain power boost? Green tea isn't just a morning pick-me-up. It's a brain-boosting beverage that can enhance your cognitive function throughout the day. The secret lies in its unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine. Caffeine, as we know, provides an energy boost and improves alertness. L-theanine, an amino acid found in green tea, promotes relaxation and focus without the jitters often associated with caffeine alone. This dynamic duo works synergistically to improve memory, reaction time, and overall cognitive performance. So the next time you need to focus on a challenging task or simply want to feel sharper, reach for a cup of green tea. Your brain will thank you.
One of the most compelling reasons to make green tea a regular part of your diet is its remarkable ability to protect against chronic diseases. This ancient beverage, enjoyed for centuries, is not just a soothing drink, but a powerhouse of health benefits. As we age, our bodies are constantly under attack from free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. These free radicals are produced through normal metabolic processes and external sources like pollution and radiation. Green tea's potent antioxidants, especially catechins like EGCG, act as powerful free radical scavengers, neutralizing these harmful molecules and protecting your cells from damage. These antioxidants are more effective than those found in many other foods and beverages, making green tea a superior choice for health-conscious individuals. Studies have linked green tea consumption to a reduced risk of developing these chronic conditions, making it a valuable tool for preventative health. Regular consumption has been associated with improved cardiovascular health, better brain function, and even weight management. While more research is always being conducted, the evidence strongly suggests that incorporating green tea into your lifestyle can be a significant step towards protecting your long-term health and well-being. So, whether you enjoy it hot or iced, make green tea a daily ritual and toast to a healthier future.
Now that you know about the amazing benefits of green tea, you're probably wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned tea drinker or just starting out, there are plenty of ways to enjoy this versatile beverage. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With a little creativity, you can make green tea a delightful part of your everyday life. Here are a few simple ways to enjoy this health-boosting beverage. Classic hot tea. Steep a green tea bag or loose leaf tea in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes for a soothing and flavorful experience. This is the most traditional way to enjoy green tea, and it's perfect for a cozy morning or a relaxing evening. Iced green tea. Brew a strong batch of green tea, let it cool, and serve over ice for a refreshing summer treat. Add a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint for an extra burst of flavor. Green tea latte. Indulge in a creamy green tea latte by blending brewed green tea with your choice of milk and a touch of honey or maple syrup. This is a great option for those who love a bit of sweetness in their tea. Green tea smoothies. Add a scoop of green tea powder to your favorite smoothie recipes for an extra dose of antioxidants and flavor. It's a fantastic way to start your day with a nutritious boost. Experiment with different brewing methods and flavors to find what you enjoy most. From matcha to sencha, there's a world of green tea varieties to explore. The key is to make green tea a regular part of your day, so you can reap its incredible health benefits. Whether it's a morning ritual or an afternoon pick-me-up, find a way to enjoy green tea that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle.
We'd love to hear from you. Have you experienced the incredible benefits of green tea firsthand? Share your personal stories, favorite brewing methods, or any creative ways you incorporate green tea into your life. Let's create a community of health-conscious individuals who are passionate about harnessing the power of nature for a healthier, happier life.
As we've discovered, green tea is more than just a delicious beverage. It's a true superfood packed with antioxidants and health-promoting compounds. From boosting weight loss to enhancing brain function and protecting against chronic diseases, green tea offers a wealth of benefits for your overall well-being. Remember to choose high-quality green tea, experiment with different brewing methods and flavors to find what you enjoy most, make it a daily ritual, and embrace the transformative power of this ancient elixir. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of green tea. Acknowledge your health. We're dedicated to providing you with the latest information and resources to empower you to make informed choices for a healthier, happier life. Visit us at knowledgeyourhealth.com to explore a wealth of health tips, recipes, and expert advice. Let's embark on a path of wellness together.